Hey guys, Crazy Man here. Today I am gonna do a tutorial on how to download Rainbow Six Mobile if it's not released in your region. Okay, let's get straight into the video. Okay, first what you want to do is you open your Play Store and search the app named TurboVPN. And click this app right here. Then just install the app. After installing the app on your phone, click Tap to connect. Then wait for it to load. Now here, click the country that's placed right here. Then click Canada, Toronto. And again, wait for it to load. After it loaded, just back out the app, then go back to Play Store and make a new account. To do that, just do what I'm gonna do. Click the profile icon on the top right here. Then click Switch Account. And make another account. To do that, just click Add Another Account and do what you have to do, and the account you made will be connected to your Gmail automatically. And this is the game. To download, just click Install. If you get this message, just click OK. After you clicked Install, back out the app and go back to TurboVPN. Now just click the X button so your download will be faster. And just back out the app. And just wait for the game to download. Okay guys, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also join the Discord, link is in the comments.